Hi, my name is Fahad.
Shit.
Shit. sorry.
And client project.
And
Hi, my name is Fahad.
hi, I'm Nathan.
Hi, I'm Mukesh.
Hi, I'm Prashant.
Hi, I'm Saili and we all are SDE II at Byteridge.
If I wasn't in tech, I would be serving for defense forces or working in merchant navy. I initially joined merchant navy college, but eventually I transitioned my career to computer science engineering, which shaped my current career, and I like what I'm doing currently at Byteridge.
Byteridge's diverse tech stack and client projects have significantly contributed my career growth, providing me with hands-on experience on technologies like cloud, Gen AI, and full stack development. Being mentored by senior developers have helped me in upskilling my technical skills. I was able to work with innovative projects like Give, which provided me unique challenges and gave me an opportunity to apply my skills.
I enjoy unwinding myself by listening to music and playing my guitar. I love the challenge of picking up my guitar and playing along the songs I listen to. It's a relaxing and creative way for me to recharge after work.
Okay, so I've grown significantly at Byteridge. I have mostly improved my technical skill set and also I've gained valuable experience. When I joined Byteridge, I was mostly working on the front-end tech stack. But since at Byteridge, I got the opportunity to work on multiple projects in a diverse environment. So I have improved my technical skill set and I'm really grateful for that.
So for someone who is trying to start a new career with Byteridge, I would say embrace learning. By upskilling, like you have to upskill, you'll get to work on different tech stacks. Secondly, actively collaborate by building a strong communication. And thirdly, I would say is try giving a good quality of work consistently.